everyone, and welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to show you this big huge box that I got from Joann. This order came in today, so let's go ahead and open it right up. All right, I want to show y'all. I got the Caron Colorama Halo Ogos. And I know there are a lot of people that have already purchased them. So I'm telling you, when I saw the videos, I could not wait to get my hands on these. The first video I saw was Bagel Day Crochet when she showed hers. And I said, oh my goodness. It reminded me of the latte cakes. And they are soft, and I do love this ombre effect that it has. Now, what you're looking at is the Rose Frost. This is a bulky 5, and oh my goodness, this is just awesome. It goes from a light, almost baby pink color, and it just goes all the way to a rich, deep, looks like a reddish color. I'm loving it. So this is 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, and 11% polyester. So that's 8 ounces, and it is 227 grams. It's 481 yards. I love it. I love it. I've fallen in love, and I can't wait to work something up. Oh, it's kind of matching. I didn't notice that. But I'm going to tell you all, these are usually $9.99, and I caught the sale, so I did get these for $7.49 each. One thing I do want to tell you, though, is this is how my second Colorama Halo Ogo came out, and this is the rose. This is the rose one. As a matter of fact, I don't even have the other piece. I don't know what happened. I guess maybe it came apart. It looks like it snapped and came apart in transit. That's probably what happened. But I just want to let y'all know that this is how it came. And if y'all want to see how the Ogos work, you can see I don't have to take it apart. All you have to do is pull it. You can actually snap it like that, or you could use scissors. It's a little plastic piece in between, and pull it. But this is the way it came. I'm like, oh my goodness. But I think since this box was so big and it wasn't totally full, maybe it broke in transit. I don't know. But I'm just giving y'all my opinion and how everything worked. So like I said, $7.49. You cannot beat this for 481 yards right now. And so this one is, oh, like a sage green. This is just so pretty, and it goes from light all the way to a deep green, sage green color. I'm just loving this. And I'll tell you what the color is. Rosemary Frost. If you want this one, Rosemary Frost is this mint green one. So I got 2 of those. I had to get 2 of each because I said, if I want to work something up, I want to make sure that I have enough yardage to work with to complete whatever project is going to be. And this next one, I had to get the gray one. And I don't know, I want to say Granny D got a gray one too. This one, and it's like a heather gray. So it goes from light to a heather gray, a rich heather gray color. Oh man, and these things are just super, super soft. let's see, this color is Graphite Frost. So if you're interested in the Caron Colorama Halo Ogos, you can look in my description box. I will try to put a link there for you for your convenience, or you could just go to Joann. And also they have 12 colors. I will put them up here on the screen so you can see. And let's see, I got two more things that I saw. You know, I can never get enough of blue, so I got this big twist, which was on sale for $2.47. It was on clearance. This is the big twist value. And y'all know I love big twists. I remember when it first came out, I was wondering, what is this? And I was in the store when I got it, and I said, I'm going to give it a test run. And I was just like, oh my goodness, this worked up like a dream. And I've been using big twists ever since. Now this one is 380 yards and it's 6 ounces, so that's 347 meters and 140 grams. It said one will make a hat, or one will make a scarf, 3 will make a excuse me, a sweater, and 6 will make a blanket. Those are how many skeins that you'll need for each project. So to get 380 yards for $2.47, it's a steal. And this color is called Worsted Dark Denim, medium weight 4. So definitely got one of those. And I got this Super Saver, Red Heart Super Saver. So Red Heart and Big Twist, looking at them together. The Big Twist is a little bit softer than the Red Heart. Okay. And this Super Saver ombre right here, I love the ombres, the Red Heart ombres. This is a beautiful colorway, and this is called Hot Sauce. Yes. And it says Salsa Picante. Yes, hot sauce. So it's a medium weight 4, and it is 482 yards. It's 440 meters, so you have a lot of yardage to work with, and you can work up something great with this. And they do look like they have a triangle shawl pattern on the back for those that are interested in doing knitting. It looks like a knit pattern. But that's it. That's all I got in my box. That was short and sweet. So I'll put the information in the description box down below, but I know you guys know where Joann is and how to get to the website. So if you're interested, go and get you some of this beautiful Halo Ogos. I'm telling you, when the tutorials start coming out for using this Colorama yarn, you want to make sure that you guys are ready and you have some on hand. So a little FYI, if you can splurge and spend that $7.49 to get it. I don't know if they're in the stores or not because I got mine online, but y'all could call your stores and check it out, and you can go and pick some up and save on shipping if you can't get shipping for free. So thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you all, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. Thank you for watching.